So, hello everyone. So I will now explaining or I will demonstrate to you the Java doc. So, what is Java doc? Well, Java doc it is a tool which comes with JDK and it is used for generating Java code documentation in HTML format from Java source code, which requires documentation in a predefined format. So, I will now first create a project. So click and then the Java application. Next, so I will be naming my project as div.num finish. So here I have now a div underscore num class. So here, so this comment, this is actually a documentation comment. So this is actually the documentation comment. So this is a documentation comment, and in general, it is called document. The JDK Java Doc tool uses doc comments when preparing automatically generated documentation. So first, we will not be when we will be so first you can actually include required HTML tags inside the description part. So here we use H1. So I will be explaining to you guys on how on what would be the example that I will be demonstrating to you. So first H1. So here. So let's do the division. So let's do the division between two numbers. So the division, so this div, so this div num program implements an application that simply divide two given integer numbers. Here, numbers, and of course prints the output on the screen. So we use here a paragraph, and then this is actually this tag is actually stands for bold. So it means that we bold our note word closed. So giving proper comments So giving proper comments in your program makes it more user friendly, and it is assumed as a high quality code. So this at author. So we've seen this at author. So this at author, this adds the author of the class. So this at author user. So at author, this adds the author of the class, and the syntax would be at author and then the name. So the next one is version. So after at author, the next one is at version. So in our at version, so we use version 1. So this at version, this adds a version subheading with a specified version. So text to be generated thus when the version option is used. So the syntax could be at version and then the version. So the next one is of course this at since, so the date 2017 10/17. So at since, this ad is it adds a since heading with a specified since to text to the guaranteed documentation. So the syntax would be at since the release. So the release, which means the date. So after this, so we will now, so we have here the closed. So public class div num. So div num is the name of our class, right? So we have here again the document comment. So again, this method is used to divide to integers. So this is the simplest. So this is the simplest form of a class method. Just to show the usage of various. So just to show the usage. So just to show the usage of various Javadoc tags. So this at param, as we have seen this, so this at param, so we will be args to the command line. So at param, guys, is actually a joke. At param is this add is a parameter with a specified parameter name followed by the specified description to the parameter section. So the syntax would be at param, the parameter name, and of course the description. So here we have at param num a. So this is the first parameter to div num method. Again, another parameter. So we have at param num b. So this is the second. This is the second parameter to div num method. So this at return at return, it adds a return section with a description text. So the syntax would be at return description. So we have at return int. So this returns quotient. So this returns quotient of the num a and num b. So close. So now we have our main. So we have here public int div num. So we have here our int num a. So int, this is the data type of our first parameter. So we have also int the second parameter. So return num a divide num b. So this is our main method. So I will be now explaining again. So I will be using the document comment. So this is the main method. So here the main method. This is the main method which makes use of div underscore num method. So here again we have param args unused, and then we have at return nothing. And then we have at exemption IO exemption on input error. So this IO exemption, this adds and throws a subheading to the generated document with the class name and description text. So the syntax would be at exception, the class name, and then the description. So we have here at C IO exemption. So lastly, at C, this adds a C also headings with a link or try entry that points to reference. So the syntax is at C reference. So finally, I will now start making the implementation. So let's first import Java. So let's first, of course, import java.io.asterisk. So we can use this to the IO exemption later. So in our main method, so we have here public static void main string args. So throws IO exemption. So we have here div num object. So we will be now initializing div num object, new div num. So in quotient is equals to obj that div num. So we will be now using two integers. So we have 10 and 2. So again, we'll be using system.out.print. So the quotient of 10 and 2 is, we will use this in order to get the answer. Quotient. So that's it. Oh, the div num. Ah, sorry, we forgot this. So let's run it. So run file. So here is the answer. So the quotient of 10 and 2 is 5, and it's correct because 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this would happen next. So let's click div num and then generate javadoc. So this is now the javadoc. So this is the package. So let's click div num. So here is the constructor, the methods, static methods, instance, concrete methods, and the main method. So that's it. So that's it. Thank you.